Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you are getting informative videos on our channel, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, so that you do not miss the latest videos.
Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up TP-Link RE315 AC1200. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the TP-Link RE315 is a dual-band Wi-Fi range extender that boosts your router signal and removes Wi-Fi dead zones. It supports mesh technology for seamless internet. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, unbox the extender box. Inside the TP-Link RE315 AC1200 Mesh Wi-Fi Range Extender box you'll find the extender unit itself, a quick installation guide with setup instructions, and a warranty/support leaflet. There are no separate cables since it plugs directly into the wall socket. Now plug the RE315 into a wall socket near your router. Wait 1 minute until the power LED becomes solid. Open Wi-Fi settings on phone/laptop. Connect to Wi-Fi name like TP-Link_extender or TP-Link_RE315. No password needed first time. Open browser, Chrome, Edge, etc. In address bar type, http://tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254. Press enter. First time setup will ask to create admin password. Enter new password or confirm password. Click start. Remember this password for future login. Extender will search nearby Wi-Fi networks. Wait for scan list. Select your router Wi-Fi name. Click next. Choose correct band, 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. If your Wi-Fi not showing, move extender closer, refresh list or check router on. Now extender needs router password. Type Wi-Fi password carefully. Click next. Wrong password means setup fail. Some important tips: check capital letters. Remove extra space. You can keep same Wi-Fi name or change. Example: home Wi-Fi _ext. Edit name if needed. Click next. Keeping same name helps seamless roaming. You will see summary. Check Wi-Fi name password. Click save/apply. Extender will reboot. Wait 2 minutes. After reboot, open Wi-Fi settings. Connect to new Wi-Fi name. Enter router password. Internet should work now. Now unplug and place extender halfway between router and weak area. Best placement tips is not too far from router. Avoid walls, metal, or keep in open area. Setup complete. Your Wi-Fi signal is now extended.
I hope you like this video. If you're stuck in middle of the setup process, then don't panic, feel free to contact our professional experts at 132350737713. Our experts team will solve your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for the more informative videos.